Anytime that you're in a space, you know if there's not much in that space or if the space has high ceilings, there's echoing that happens. Same thing with canyons and any place where there's empty space. If you make a noise in that space, the sound waves physically bounce off of surfaces. And so why is that important for audio recording? Well, if you're in a space with a high ceiling and you're trying to make a recording, we're probably going to hear a lot of the background noise unless you make an effort to muffle or dampen those bouncing sound waves. They're going pew, 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 pew. They're bouncing off of all the surfaces, entering into the recording surface of the microphone. When you fill a room with furniture, sound doesn't carry as well because the waves are blocked by objects. So if you've ever noticed when you move out of a space, all of a sudden it's echoing in there because you don't have your carpet, your desk, all your furniture, your plants, and obviously people in a space will muffle sound. So when you're recording audio, you want to make sure that you do what you can to limit that bouncing. And you've heard of acoustic spaces, like spaces that are good for sound to carry, like a church, anything that has a vaulted ceiling, because it magnifies that sound. Sound waves bounce off surfaces. Use blankets, cushions, pillows, extra clothes to dampen sound that is in your immediate recording area. You want to mainly think about where your recording device is and then focus the muffling around that area. You can make space in a closet and let the clothing act as easy soundproofing. If you have a coat closet or anything like that, all of the stuff that's already in the closet is automatically going to soundproof for you.